tí ò ní pa wá ládàánù erun ẹ má gbàgbé pé seat tó jókòó sí this is first class seat.
Ẹ kú dédé ìwòyí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ǹjẹ́ ti ṣe tán láti gbóhun tí Lizzy Anjorin tó sọnù fídíò yìí? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé láti gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin sọnù fídíò yìí. Nínú fídíò yìí náà lẹ ti máa gbọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọmọ Lizzy Anjorin. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé láti gbọ́ orí ìgbé ayé èyí tí ọmọ Lizzy Anjorin gbé. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ǹjẹ́ ti ṣe tán láti gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin sọ nínú fídíò yìí?
This first class seat was never sponsored by our mother's agbesun. This first class seat was sponsored by herself because she worked for it. These are empire's owner. These are leaders of tomorrow. We allow them láti múra bí ẹrú níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. And we allow them to enjoy like a king and queen. I could remember, kó tó lè afford irú city yìí, as àtìgbà tá ya photo yìí, ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní owó gidi lọ́wọ́, kó tó lè afford. Because as of today, city tó jókòó sí yóò less than 32 million naira per head. Tó bá ń ṣe promo bóyá 22 million naira. As of today, city tó jókòó sí. And it was never sponsored by any man. It was never sponsored by our mother's agbesun. It was never sponsored by àwọn tó ń bá sùn. It was sponsored by herself for herself. So for those of you, if you want to buy this seat today, it's about 32 million, 28 million. Today, to buy èèyàn kan ni o. Today, we have 32 million. Me going to 47 million. Per head, ó depend le ticket yẹn. Ó dẹ̀ depend le. Mo bá ń ṣe promo bóyá 22 million, 23 million. Tó bá ń ṣe promo parí rẹ̀ bóyá 18 million, 14 million per seat. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ bí tí wọ́n máa lówó dé Nigeria of today kó tó lè afford owó yẹn. So let me mo bọ̀ ṣe mo ti snap ẹ̀. So gbogbo èyí tẹ́ máa ń ṣe tẹ́ máa ń ba yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ kán lè rí yín. Ó ti rí orínú seat tower. Orínú seat tower. Because adẹ̀wọ̀ on business class. Òun lélẹ̀. Òun lélẹ̀. Èmi lèmi dìde lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Èmi mo dìde lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Èmi lèmi àjọ jókòó ni. Èmi mò ń yà. Ẹ ti rí. Seat ẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Kò rent ẹ̀ o. Ẹ rí pé ó seat belt. Ó belt. Ẹ rí pé ó belt up. Depending, we went to like almost 4 to 5 countries. Shetiri onre, etiri. So taba lọ rajà. Jẹ́ kí n mo jẹ mo ese. Taba lọ rajà. So tá bá lọ ra ọjà ṣó ti yín ẹ yé gbé photo ìgbà tá lọ ra ọjà àti ń lọlé níbí báyìí now hold on mo bọ̀ ṣé má lọ fi okay mo bọ̀ mo máa jẹ́ àwọn ṣé mo ṣì ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ lò mo bọ̀ so Taba lọ rajà, this is how we look like. This is how we look like. Taba ti lọ ra ọjà. This is what we look like. Taba ti lọ ra ọjà. Shetiri. Amebo, you are the one that posted this. Taba ti lọ ra ọjà. This is how we look like whenever we want to go and buy market. But whenever we are coming home, this is how we dress. This is how we dress. As you can see. As at then, this is Rolex. And she's rocking 80, you know, teba weighty Florida set earring, you know. This is a customized Versace 18 karat. Ederi bag wo ló gbé ná. Bóyá Prada àbí nǹkan mi mo bag tó gbé ṣá. Bóyá Prada or mi mo bóyá Pericardin or Prada or something etiri. Setiri mo bọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi ibi kan wà okay. Òun lélẹ̀. ẹ rí pé èmi lèmi jókòó síbi iṣẹ́ pọ́njọ sáàbù wa ni èmi lèmi jókòó síbi ẹ ti rí bàtà tó wà lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká wo one chain ẹ̀ ẹ bá one chain ẹ rí pé gold ni ṣe ti rí ẹ rí pé gold ni ẹ bá wẹ̀ rí Rolex ló wọ̀ yẹn and that is money, that is very very expensive 18 karat òun lélẹ̀. She lived a very simple life, very very simple life. Ẹ rí bàtà tó wà lẹ́sẹ̀. I think this is latest Michael Kors then òun ló lóun fẹ́ latest then àìkíní kan ṣáà lórúkọ kan tó máa ń pè ṣá ó ṣáà lóun fẹ́ here you see. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi hàn ẹ̀yin ará Instagram, ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi hàn ẹ̀yin ará Instagram. So gbogbo stand up for your children yẹn ẹ tanra yín ni o ẹ máa lọ stand up fún. So tábà lọ rajà, this is how we look like. She was never a sales girl. She was never a sales girl. We went to go and buy gold. This is gold business. Anytime tábà ti lọ ra gold, this is how we dress down. A lọ ra gold in bí báyìí ni. Ṣó ti yé yín? So she was never a sales girl. She is an empire's owner. She owns many businesses. Even some businesses unknown to her. You know her mother has worked for her. So let me show you when we are going home. Ẹ̀rí bí tán fi ìyá tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lójoojúmọ́. Estate owner, ẹ̀rí bí tán fi sí. Ẹ̀rí estate owner, ẹ̀rí bí tán fi sí. Ẹ̀rí ń tán pé orúkọ ọmọ estate owner. So when we are going home, here, àwa méjèèjì lélẹ̀. As you can see, ẹ̀rí wristwatch tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò ń ṣẹrù ọmọdé. Kì í ṣẹrù ọmọdé. Ẹ̀rí 18 karat gold. She live a very simple life and we allow